In the midst of a quiet library, a man suddenly feels the urge to sneeze. He tries to hold it back, but it's no use. The sneeze erupts like a thunderclap, echoing through the aisles. Books fly off the shelves, and startled patrons turn, eyes wide in disbelief. One elderly lady, shocked, accidentally flings her coffee, and it splatters on the librarian, who jumps in surprise. The chaos unfolds like a comedy skit, leaving everyone in stitches, even the librarian. This uproarious moment reminds us that sometimes life's most hilarious events come out of the blue. Just a simple sneeze, turning an ordinary day into comedy gold.